Today we'll learn how to make a knit blanket with a gingham pattern. The yarns that you will need for this project are 3 colors, a dark one, a lighter one, and a more lighter color. The blanket will be made up of different panels, each with a different color combination, which sewn together creates this gorgeous pattern. We will begin with some waste yarn, casting on, and making a few rows with that. Next, we begin with our first color, and we're going to make 33 rows with that. After 33 rows, we change to the second color and make now 32 rows with that. Then change back to the first color and again 32 rows. Once again, change to the other color. You can adjust the panel to however long you want it to be. Just make sure that the first and last blocks on the panel are 33 rows and all the other blocks are 32 rows. Finish off with another few rows of waste yarn. Repeat the same process with the other 2 color combination and make as many panels as you would like for your blanket. Then on each panel we're going to do these next 2 steps. Number 1, turn it inside out and tie together all the color changes. If you have any other tails from adding a new ball of yarn, tie those together as well. Then turn it back to the right side and close up the panel on both sides. Then remove all the waste yarn. Repeat for all the panels. Now we'll match up two panels, making sure to have the correct color combination. And match up the row on the side, one panel with a tail to a side without a tail. And then we'll go into that row of V's, connecting them through the top of the V. On top, just tie together the tails. And repeat for the next panel. The only difference will be on the last panel on the blanket. Since we don't want this side with the color changes, on the outside we'll match this one up, a side with a tail to side with a tail, and sew it up together. Then we can hide in all the tails. And that's it. The blanket is all ready. I hope you enjoyed and see you next time.